Good morning, students. Now this is your social study class. Students, today we are going to revise the question answers from chapter Religious Festivals. Okay? So students, take out your classwork copy where you have written this question answers. Religious Festival. The chapter is Religious Festival. Answer the following question. Question number 1. Which Hindu goddess is worshipped on Diwali? Answer is Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on Diwali. Read it again. Question number 1. Which Hindu goddess is worshipped on Diwali? What is Diwali? Diwali is a festival. Diwali is the festival of lights. No? So, the answer will be Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on Diwali. That means only Goddess Lakshmi you have to learn the spellings. And is worshipped on Diwali, that you will write from question. Okay? Question number 2. Why is Christmas celebrated? Answer. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year as the birthday of Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity. Learn again, students. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year as the birthday of Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity. Question number 3. What is Ramzan? That means, what do you mean by Ramzan? Answer. Ramzan is the holy month of fasting. Ramzan is the holy month of fasting. Eid is celebrated at the end of Ramzan. Read it again. Ramzan is the holy month of fasting. Eid is celebrated at the end of Ramzan. Question number 4. Where is Pongal celebrated? Answer. Pongal, a famous harvesting festival, is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Where is Pongal celebrated? You have to write what is Pongal. Pongal, that means it is a famous harvesting festival. Okay. So you will write like this. Answer. Pongal, comma, a famous harvesting festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Right? Now question number 5. What do people do on Guru Parab? The answer is Sikhs go to the Gurudwara to participate in prayer service, participate in prayer service and procession. They enjoy langar at the Gurudwara. Learn again. What do people do on Guru Parab? You can say Guru Purab also. Okay. Answer. Sikhs go to Gurudwara to participate in prayer service and procession. They enjoy langar at the Gurudwara. Right? So students, you have to memorize these 5 questions today. I hope you have written in your classwork copy. So memorize from there I will give the image. I will post the image in Wasam. Okay, those who have not completed or want to write it again, they can write from Wasam app. Okay, so students, the class ends here. You have to, but again I am giving you the homework. What is the homework? To memorize the question answer. Not only memorize, you have to learn spellings. Okay, learning spelling is also important. Don't write wrong spellings while writing the question answer. Okay, so the class ends here, students. Good day.